We'll guide you through how to accept Stripe online payments effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Stripe website. Once you're there, click on the Sign Up button to create a new account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, you'll see the dashboard. Look for the Payments section on the left-hand side menu and click on it. Here, you'll find an option to create payment link, which is a great way to start accepting payments without any coding. Click on Create Payment Link. You'll be prompted to enter the details of the product or service you're selling, including the name, description, and price. You can also upload an image to make it more appealing. Once you've entered the necessary details, click Create Link. Stripe will generate a unique URL that you can share with your customers via email, social media, or directly on your website. When customers click on this link, they'll be taken to a secure Stripe-hosted page where they can complete the transaction. If you prefer integrating Stripe directly into your website, you can use Stripe's API or plugins if you're using platforms like WordPress or Shopify. Head over to the Developers section in the dashboard for API keys and documentation. Remember, you can also enable additional features like recurring payments or coupon codes through the Stripe dashboard to enhance your payment processing. Ensure your account is verified and linked to your bank account for seamless fund transfers. That's how you can start accepting Stripe payments online. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.